Alright, so mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. So you just walk in, record yourself jumping. You get my point? When you're done with that one, you save the video to your gallery. Now record from ground to the sky and from the sky to the ground, then save. Something like this. So now let's head over to Capcut. You get my point? So click on new project, the plus icon. Import the 2 videos you recorded to Capcut. So we are starting with the empty background which you recorded from the ground to the sky and from the sky to the ground. So we're going to split and delete from the ground to the sky. Then we are going to allow from sky to the ground, as that's what we want to use. So at this point, tap on this layer, tap on split and delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? So now you've gotten it. So let's see how it's going to be something like this. So we want it to end like that. You get my point? So now this is the second video you uploaded. So from here I want it to start from where I'm jumping, like I'm about to jump, something like this. So I will just tap on it. I'll just tap on the video here, tap on split, then delete the beginning also. So at this point I want to delete the ending part of it. That's how I want it to end, and where I want it to end. So I'll have to tap on this layer, then click split, then delete the ending part of it. You get my point? So after splitting and deleting, now tap on the layer, go and look for overlay. So it will come down like this. You drag it to the beginning of the video. Now tap on the second layer, go and look for remove background. That's remove BG. Click on auto removal. Now allow it to remove completely. Please just allow it like what you're seeing on your screen. It's okay like this. Now what you do next is place 2 fingers on your screen. Now adjust it. Just try to resize it, make it smaller, like what you see me do. Just anyhow, any size you want it to be, just make it smaller, then take it up, just drag it up. So I decided to make my own somewhere close to the mast. You get my point? So now tap on the second layer as we want to add keyframe. So you add keyframe at the beginning of the video. So when you are done adding keyframe, you don't do anything, just go and look for basic. Let's go and look for basic. See basic here, so click on basic. So as you can see, it is on position. We have position, scale and rotate. So we are not using that one, we are using scale. Now this scale, either you want the character to grow bigger or you want it to grow smaller. So we want the character to be bigger, so you have to add it. So you move the video a bit, you add the scale by the number, increase the number of the scale. Now the keyframe will be added automatically when once you move the video, like you allow it to play a bit, and then you add the scale, you increase the number here and the scale, the keyframe will be added automatically. So you just increase the size of the person to how you want it to be. You get my point? So click on OK, and now time when the character is landing, then you adjust it to land on the main ground. Understand? So as you can see now, look at it here. So it's landing on the ground. Now tap on the first layer. Let's go and look for freeze. Where is freeze? Let's go and look for freeze. Now click on freeze. So while you are freezing it, so that the background can still cover the person when the character is getting up. You understand what I'm saying? So you adjust it to freeze the end of the video, like what you are saying. So make sure you adjust it to match the end of the video. When you get it, this is how it's going to be. So let's see how it goes. So that's perfect. So the next thing for you to do from here is to save the video to your gallery, so we can add the sound and the broken floor. You get my point? Alright guys, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share, comment. Understand? So if you are a beginner and you want to learn how to edit videos, you get my point? Now you can chat me on WhatsApp for private class. Chat me on WhatsApp for private class. So I don't want to waste much of time. Let's continue with the tutorial. Alright, so now click done and then click on new project. Import the video you just saved to your Capcut. So now this is the video. So what we will do here is to add the sound and then add the broken floor. Now tap on audio, go to sound FX. So now keep scrolling to when you get to bump sound doka down. Select that one. So you have to adjust this bump sound so that you'll be able to get it so it will match with when the character is landing. Something like that. Now at the end of the sound, you make sure you adjust it also so it will not go longer than the main video. So you bring it to an end here with the main video, something like what you just seen on your screen. You get my point? I need to up the background sound, so I click on volume and I reduce it to 0 so that the main sound, the main video sound will not play. It's only the bump sound down will play. So that is just it, guys. So the next thing for you to do, tap on empty space. Now you will see effect, click on effect. Now click on video effect. Okay, now scroll down to this lightning crack. So you have something like this, so you select that one. So now you tap on the back icon here, tap on the back icon again. So we will have to go and bring our green screen. Now we use green screen here. So to get that green screen, you go to footagecrate.com, and it is not free. Yes, it is not free. They sell it about, I think, $10 or so. So you get it from there. So you apply your green screen here, tap on the second layer so you can bring it down to where you are landing. I don't know if you understand, just bring it down to where you are landing, then you can expand it, something like this. You get my point? So now go to remove BG. Now tap on chroma key, select green. When the middle color is green, now it's okay. You tap on intensity, now adjust it to 100. Now tap on shadow, also bring it to 100, so you have your broken floor. Now then you tap OK. Understand? So let's see how it's going. Wow, that's okay. Yes, that is okay. So what we'll do next is to add the wind sound, because we did not add it. So you tap on audio, now click on sound FX. So you can keep scrolling, or you just type on the search bar wind, then you search. So now go and look for strong wind. Where are you, bro? Where is this wind now? Strong wind. Okay, here it is. So you tap on it. So that's where you will get the sound, like the wind moving with the character. So that is just it, guys. That is, you just click on the ending part of it, then you delete it. So let's see what we got. Come on, this is nice. This is perfect. You get my point? I mean, this is perfect. So guys, from here you can save the video to your gallery, because that's all you need to know about it. Hey guy, you did not subscribe. you did not subscribe, subscribe to this channel. You get my point? If you're a beginner and you want to learn how to edit videos on Capcut, chat me up on WhatsApp. Guys, guess what? There will be lots of benefit because you'll be getting green screen effects for free. You get my point? And other things. You know what I mean? You get my point? So guys, see you in our next video.